And in those days, they say when you see an elderly person, don't just bring out your hand from your pocket. Portray. Then the person will pray for you. These are where we get prayer. The sheep prayer we got those days. Then when you just portray before the man, you said, oh, is that the son of Abefaboro? The son of Buhari? Oh, the Lord will bless you. You will be great. You will be popular. You everything you want in life will not elude you. Then when you get to abroad, it's worse.
To London,
to America and their children, they are rotting. 45% are bad. 60% are in jail. So when you ask them, why is your son not coming in to come and sleep? Yeah, mommy, this is America. The American children, but they are black. They are not brown. Only but àwọn Israeli ń lọ. Only but wọ́n wò káàkiri, wọ́n jírí jígà àti sọ́fẹ̀ àti àdá. Tí àwọn ará Íjíbítì fi ń sin òkú àkọ́bí gbogbo wọn. Olúwa máa gbàlú yìí kọjá. Ṣé bọ́ọ̀nà kan làbáṣà fi sùn tí ò jí? Ṣé bọ́ọ̀nà kan ni ìjọba fi bọ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọbásanjọ́ tí ò relevant tó ń káàkiri bí ìgbóná yìí? Ṣé o pé politician kì í lè retire? Tẹnu wọn ò bá ti rán nǹkan máa ṣe meeting lé wọn. Òmòye meeting tí Àtíkù ṣe tó ní k'Ọbásanjọ́ ṣe fóun ní Ọ̀tà. Wọ́n kò wọlé. Gbogbo owó tó gbé f'Ọbásanjọ́ papọ̀ náà. Ó tún sọ sáku ẹ̀. You see what we did in the old Nigeria? Carrot from the north, cucumber from the north, lettuce from the north, rice from the north, beans from the north, groundnut oil from the north, cow from the north, goat from the north, chicken from the north, duck from the north, everything from the north. Ask the Igbo and Yoruba, what are they producing? Ask them. Then when the election is around, you just see them sharing money. The money they're supposed to go and use to farm, mechanized farming. And Adeboye can involve in mechanized farming.
Yes.
Oh, Oyedepo can involve in mechanized farming. But they refuse. They don't want to do long-term projects. Because they never trust they may even die anytime. They only have it at the back of their paper in Yoruba land. If I drop there, let me take over. Look at Adeboye's church. Everybody has seen the handwriting on the wall that if he dropped dead tomorrow, is his first son, because it's their ministry. No any foreign name in the registration, and the government gave them this. So automatically, I beg the Igbos in the new Nigeria, I beg the Yorubas, they should please allow the sleeping dog to lie.
How do you mean, sir?
For even shouting a slogan of Biafra, shouting a slogan of what? Of Oduduwa. We should try and work first. If Adeboye should carry Redeem to Odeaye, my town. He will not send anybody to worship with him.
Why, sir?
Because by 5 o'clock, as I was raised, we're on our way to the farm.
In Odeaye, sir?
Yes, sir.
In Ondo State?
Yes, sir.
What are the morning prayers that you need to face in the church before you go to your farm?
We will be praying on the way, sir.
No, in the Redeem
We will be praying on the way.
morning prayers.
My brother, I have to get there to check my trap. You know I have more than 200 traps in the farm. I will check the one that catch rabbits, the one that caught snail, the one that caught antelope. And I have to quickly prepare it and then come and sell it to the vendor, to the food, to the people selling food. So look.
You have to go to church first.
Those is the same why what Adeboye and Oyedepo used to kill us. We are living the world, the life under grace, not anti-grace.
Nobody is needing prayer.
Not forget. Not God never create prayer. You cannot see it here, except one, two apostles who mentions prayer without ceasing. You cannot see any other one again. It's here.
It's interesting, sir.
You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you this. We are all going to Ikeja.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we left this church gates. Then on getting to that junction, we saw an elderly woman that carried 2 heavy bags.
Yes, sir.
Then both of us collected the bags
To help us, sir.
to help the woman. And then we were taken down. Then on getting to Ajegunle bus stop, not knowing that a company car or a company van from Toyota, from Chevron, is waiting to carry the woman. So as we gave the woman the 2 bags, he said, "Thank you, my children. God will bless you. Where are you going?" We said, "We are going to Ikeja." Oh, he said, "We are going to Ikoyi." So you follow us. We go through Ikeja inside. Then he carried us. Is it prayer that he used to carry us? Do we pray for the woman?
No, it's way back. It's payback.
And what do we call that?
Grace.
These are the things they did not teach Nigerian children again. And in those days, they say when you see an elderly person, don't just bring out your hand from your pocket. Portray. Then the person will pray for you. These are where we get prayer. The sheep prayer we got those days. Then when you just portray before the man, you said, "Oh, is that the son of Agbefaboro? The son of Buhari? Oh, the Lord will bless you. You will be great. You will be popular. Everything you want in life will not elude you. In this town, you'll be one of those people who will be the pillar of this place." It's a grace. They gave him that prayer as a grace of his prostrating on the sand.
So I respect it.
But now when you look at class 3 children, a student of St. Joseph College, when he saw a Sabe of 52 years, his uncle, how are you? Go, uncle, I like your phone. Then how do you expect this boy to live long?
The grace cannot come down.
The grace eluded himself.
How do you expect this boy to live long? Then when you get to abroad, it's worse.
To London.
To America and their children, they are rotting. 45% are bad. 60% are in jail. So when you ask them, why is your son not coming in to come and sleep? Mommy, this is America. The American children, but they are black. They are not brown. They are not brown. So for the new Nigeria, I beg the Igbos, I beg the Yorubas to come together and think under one umbrella. The Lord has been prophesying on this for the past 5 years. There was a time they gathered in Bayelsa, in Rivers. That was 2 years ago, when the prediction 2018 is there.
Yes, sir.
It's in prediction 2018.
Yeah.
But after a while, they didn't follow up again. Because most of all these urbans are pedophiles. Most of all these urbans are womanizers. Half of all these urbans are drug peddlers. And all these urbans are not people to write home. They turn the Ifa to bring them there. Even some of these Oluwo and the rest of them, they're not the original one. How can the fake become original? Only what is not Panadol and Nepa Panadol. In the new year, we should be expecting good educational system this year.
2020.
Yes, good educational system. Even the children too, who wanted to write exam with the setting of the computer. You know, one computer is there for you to write your jam. Then the other one is going to be in the other side. So that's all. So if you didn't know book, right from the seat, you know that you have failed. Even it has happened in the University of Lagos about 3 years ago, when they intoxicated some people who came in there with 340, over 400 in jam, but they cannot pass the poly jam. But that's what's been standing. I didn't mean they have the school site, but they are too full of special centers. Special what? Special centers, which has already polluted the exam body. But thank God for the last Minister of Education. It's different from the one when Wike was there. Wike was the worst minister for because when you are writing jam in his own regime, when you are writing, results will be coming out to you yourself. The computer will be bringing results to you. Not going to WAEC again, because he was saving money that he want to give to judges and everything to be the governor of that state. And just to pardon and derail justice. Given the wife of Odili and other saints. These are how the people bought all their seats. They are not the original person. Even all in Ondo State, when you see some of all these governors, of recent now they were looking for governor for only about 3 weeks in Ondo State. No, they were outside planning what? Planning wedding.
For the daughter, sir.
He was outside planning wedding. With what? The taxpayers' money. And he's a lawyer. He knew the law that caught him. But he still wanted to put a sound on that law. But in the new Nigeria, we should remember namenesses. Namenesses with what? We caught up with them. So that is it. So in Nigeria, there will be peace. There's not going to be threatening of war, this and that and that. They should not bother. Everybody should sit calm and support this government. And we only need to warn this clergyman Bakari. Needs to be warned.
Yes, sir.
We need to warn Bakari very well. He's too ambitious.
You mean Pastor Suleiman?
Yes, but what does a pastor has to do with Aso Rock?
Sir,
if there's anybody to be invited to Aso Rock, it's people like Prophet Marcus to come and give them vision, to come and give them prophecy on what will happen tomorrow. It's not the herbalist or anything. It's all the prophet that's supposed to. We're supposed to have a building in Abuja, where we prayed and tell the governor what is coming, tell the president what is coming. Then we will know peace.
Are you talking about?
And all the Christians in Nigeria should be calm. Once they are still giving visa to go to Jerusalem for pilgrimage, nobody can do it, sign any IOU or IOC in Nigeria. It cannot work. They should know this, because the Israeli will come in, the Americans will come in, the British will come in. But if they now said Tehran will come in, that's the America of the Muslim people, and then Saudi Arabia is their praying pot, they should think well. They should not start a war they cannot finish. It's very easy to start a war, but how it will end is a thing they don't know. But we are all brothers. We are all the same family. We came the same way. You get the point? Yes. And then they should try and institute good INEC for 2023. All the things they needed for 2023, they should be planning now. And then we need sensors. After fixing all the road, we want good health sector. In Lagos State, they are going to know peace in the hospital and everything. So when the book is out, I will let you see everything.
Sir, we want to ask about, before we round up, the presidential ambition of Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There have been a lot of perception that he's going to succeed President Buhari. But recently now, we now saw Chief Body George, who now says he's going to contest for 2023 presidency against Tinubu. That he's going to contest. Now, that is by the side. Then we have the northern elite saying that 2023 should not go to the south, that the north still have one term. Recently, the Ariwa Consultative Forum chieftain Shetima Yerima, the young man who is in charge of the youth wing of the Arewa Consultative Forum, said that with the death of President Yar'Adua, that presidency, that the North was shortchanged, that because Jonathan used 2 years of Yar'Adua before he came to use another 4 years or 6 years, and that by that calculation, the Northerners didn't really had enough time, that because Obasanjo has already used 8 years, and the Southern, with the 8 years and the 6 years, that is 14 years. So the calculation was so controversial, and he said that the North should be able to complete it again, that after Buhari, the North is still coming. With what Shetima Yerima said, and Tinubu is saying he's coming on board, then Body George is saying he's also contest, then some people say it's the Igbo turn. How do we look at it? What's the Lord saying about this 2023? Because from 2020, we should be able to see what's going to happen.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't like to talk like a carnal person.
Okay, sir.
I'm a spiritual person.
Okay, sir.
There was a controversy between Absalom and his father David.
Yes, sir. In the Bible, sir.
When you look at the book of 1 Samuel 10, 1 Samuel 11, and 1 Samuel 12.
Okay, sir.
In 1 Samuel 12, and 2 Samuel 12, it said there's somebody in this country that has one animal,
Sheep.
one ram.
Okay, sir.
Then there's somebody that has goat, ram, cat, and everything. But when the time comes, that very one that has one was trying to nurture and taking care of, but the one that has plenty now call for this only single one to entertain a visitor. Then David now said, I think this is my regime or my territory. This is what will happen. Then Nathaniel now said, it is in your regime. This misappropriation of this havoc was committed in your regime.
And by you?
Then by you. Then he was looking. Then the verdict, the big verdict came. That's the big verdict. What's the big verdict? The Lord spoke to David. You are my best person. But for this calamity or this transgression you have committed,
The Bathsheba scandal?
he said, sword will never depart your house. Then, if somebody is too ambitious, it's not godly. It's not what?
It's not godly.
Look at the patience of Jacob and Esau. In the book of Genesis 24, 25, 26, 27, in 27, 20 to 28, in 25, 10 to 15, he said, send me your birthright. And the guy said, I'm hungry. What will I do with birthright? Not now or not now. Nigeria belongs to God.
Nigeria belongs to God.
Yes, sir. Psalm 24, Nigeria belongs to God. Leave northern elite, Arewa. Do you remember the story of Gumi?
Yes, sir.
But you are old then.
And he said Christian will never rule
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Then later, Obasanjo came.
And
Obasanjo came.
somebody is still saying it now.
No. When Gumi was doing his birthday, he was with the wine, the cup of a wine. He has a heart attack and died. Do you remember before that I never used a part of what's the name? This airline that belongs to the Northerner.
The one in Kano, Cabo Airline.
Cabo Airline.
Yes, sir.
It's for the Northerners. If there's any problem with any of the airline, they will go to the store of Nigerian Airways and remove that part to fix it. Cabo Airline.
Aircraft.
Yes. But when it was going down, they brought pulpit chair into that airline. Do you remember when Atiku and others wanted to go those days? When they were going to the north, when Abacha was going,
Yes, sir.
they removed all the seats of a plane and loaded naira, pounds, sterling into it. Both the briefcase side and the inside. Did Abacha spend it?
I don't think so, sir.
But why do you easily forget history? When they wanted to use the airline that belongs to the government, to the president, when they were using it as just Okada, a shuttle, what happened to those people inside? He said, don't be worried about tomorrow. Tomorrow will surely what? Take care of himself. Tinubu, Northern Forum, Bakari, Buhari, Babangida, Atiku, everybody, they are liable. Nobody can settle debts. When you look at the book of Proverbs 4, Proverbs 3, then Proverbs 1, from verse 16, he said, I have talked to them, they refuse to listen. He said, when their trouble come, and come in full, he said, I will laugh at them.
That's the book of Proverbs.
Proverbs 1. Then he now said, the most important one was Proverbs 6, from verse 1 to 5. He said, if you sleep too much, better wake up. Take thesis from the what? From the ants.
From the ants.
They don't have taskmasters. They don't have Arewa people. They don't have Tinubu to their side. They don't have Bakari to their side. They don't have Marcos to their side. But they are organized.
That's the ants.
God knows
Ants
how.
colony.
Then when you look at the book of Genesis, the last one, Genesis 15, from verse 12 to 14, he said, for you driving the bird away from the feast. Driving a bird from the feast. He said, your children will go into slavery for 430 years. It's only me who took them there that will go and bring them back. That will go and what? And bring them back.
You think Yoruba can get it?
That will bring them back.
Yes, sir.
So automatically, when it was Genesis, Exodus 9, Exodus 8, Exodus 10, Exodus 12, and Exodus 13 and 14. He said in the book of Exodus 13, from verse 10 to 21, he said when the Egyptians were living, oh my God, he said the Egyptians were busy burying their debts. Ó nígbà tí àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì ń lọ, ó nígbà tí wọ́n wò káàkiri, wọ́n jírí jígà àti sọ́ọ̀fẹ̀ àti àdá tí àwọn ará Íjíbítì fi ń sin òkú àkọ́bí gbogbo wọn. Olúwa máa gbàlú yìí kọjá, ṣé bọ́ọ̀nà kan làbáṣà fi sùn tí ò jí? Ṣé bọ́ọ̀nà kan ni ìjọba fi bọ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọbásanjọ́ tí ò relevant tó ń káàkiri bí ìgbóná yìí? Ṣé o pé politician kì í lè retire? Tẹnu wọn ò bá ti rọrùn kó máa ṣe meeting lé wọn. Òmòye meeting tí Àtíkù ṣe tó ní kó Ọbásanjọ́ ṣe fóun ní Ọ̀tà. Wọ́n kò wọlé. Gbogbo owó tó gbé fọ́básanjọ́ pàpàkọ̀ náà. Ó tún sọ sáku ẹ̀. Ṣèbí Ọbásanjọ́ yìí ló sọ pé the best olè tó wà ní the whole West Africa. Leader wọn ní Àtíkù. Gbàtọ́ tó yá tó lóun ló ṣe dáadáa. Ṣé àwọn àgbà tá fẹ́ tẹ̀lé rè for the new Nigeria kò possible? Then tó bá wo the former governor of Ogun State, ṣe bọ́ọ̀ ló ní kí wọ́n sọ pure water fún Buhari torí ó fẹ́ gbẹ́ bọ́ǹkà, ó fẹ́ gbẹ́ yàrá kan láti bí kan lọ́wọ́ abẹ́ torí ọjọ́ tógun bá dé, ṣùgbọ́n tógun ò bá dé tó jẹ́ ibà ló pa ń kọ́. Then irú ọmọ wo ló ní, ọmọ ẹ̀ wo ló mọ̀ tó lè mẹ̀tẹ́ nìkan tó kó lẹ̀ yìí, ọmọ wo ló mẹ̀tẹ́ ní ti eléyìí tó wà lálákùkọ. Ó ti tún rí ẹni ọmọ ní kí ló ń kan ẹ lójú. I have something here. Only what are your worries, Nigerians? What are your worries? Because when you look at the book of Acts of the Apostle 16, from verse 10 to 21, he said, don't stab yourself to death. Jailers, come. We are here. Don't kill yourself. Only what you believe that is impossible is possible before God. Ohun tó ṣòro níwájú èèyàn, is it 2023?
Yes, sir.
Àwọn tó dárúkọ ẹ̀wọ̀n ilé máa sí láyé. They may not be alive. Death is not the respecter of anybody. And we die every day by sleeping. He said a boaster can do but what? But little. When you look at the book of Proverbs 16, and when you look at the book of Proverbs 23, then when you look at the book of Proverbs 10, then when you look at the book of Acts of the Apostle, Acts of the Apostle 10, Acts of the Apostle 11. Then when you look at the Acts of the Apostle 9, the great Saul, who obtained a letter. And when you look at the book of 2 King again, 2 King 7.
Yes, sir.
He said, sir, if you said rice will be 2,000 in Nigeria again, you are lying. He said, don't worry, I'm not here to flex muzzle with you. He said, but by this time tomorrow. By this time what? Tomorrow. Is 2023 tomorrow? Leave everything to roll. You yourself asking me a question.
Yes, sir.
Do you know if you are going to be alive for 2023? What about Marcus? He said our days are numbered. When you look at the book of John 24, he said, don't allow your hearts to be troubled, Nigerians. Believe in the Lord who created you. Go and farm. Go and work. If you are a teacher, rear animal. If you are a teacher, do anything, cosmetologist and everything. Anything you can do to help your salary. If you are a driver, don't lie. If you are Okada, day before yesterday, I was inside Marua, coming from Ota. I saw the pains of some people. I parked my cars at home.
Why did you take the Marua, sir?
Yeah, because I went to fix my Glow ATM. I said they should leave the car. I wanted to see the way I was before. So I trekked little, then I entered Marua, then I entered Okada. But I was busy paying for all those people, paying their money as I was coming home. Then when I got to the Ajegunle bus stop, that night, in the night, when there was no light, somebody said, Baba Elijah, in that night. He carried me on the back again. I said, Enesa, Baba Dada. Then when we got to the church, I gave him 500 naira. Instead of 100 naira, he said, sir, we cannot carry somebody like you and collect money. What I need is prayer. That is the grace we were talking before. Then when you look at Revelation 22 verse 11, then when you look at the book of Revelation 3, from verse 6, 7, 8, 9, he said, I had the key of prosperity. Kokoro ola owo mi lo wa. Kokoro ẹni tó máa lọ́rọ̀ ọwọ́ mi ló wà. Kokoro ẹni tó máa ṣàṣeyọrí Ọlọ́run mi ló wà. That was a man they called Tijani Fernandez. That's the original name. He applied for an American visa 17 times, changing passport in Oluwole. The 17 times they gave him the visa. He got to America. Do you remember? I'm getting to America.
Yeah.
He was hit by stray bullets in Manhattan. Stray what?
Stray bullets. That's on the 17th time.
That is all. Because the Lord has shown him that you don't have anything to do there. Stay here. When you look at the book of Matthew 22, Matthew 22 from verse 18, he said when they were doing the feast, they prepared a lot of food. But when they have finished preparing the food, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
He said nobody to come and eat the feast. Then the Lord said they should go. Jesus said, go out and look for the good and the bad people to come and eat the feast. Then later again, they do census again. They said the nobleman, the man Jesus Christ walking in. He saw the person that has no wedding uniform. We never knew whether Tinubu will have the wedding uniform. We don't know whether Buhari will finish his tenure. We don't even know, but the Lord revealed to me that last year that Buhari will finish his tenure. Let me correct that area.
Okay, sir. That
they will renew Buhari and he will not seek. He will only go 2 times check-up. And that was what happened last year.
Yes, sir, you said so.
Even this year too, he's going to be strong to inspect roads. But the Lord said he should go all those states. He should leave the hole where he's living now. He took Aso Rock as a hole where the rabbit live. He should go out and inspect all the states. And all Nigerians should please go and see all their senators and House of Assembly members and ask them what they are doing with the constituency money. They should come out. It's not that they are protesting. They should go and find out
what they are doing with this money.
With those money. If there is no result, they should replace them. They have the right to withdraw them. Yes. Let them know that the Englishman that has made the pencil, made the eraser, that we are worried about them. When you look at the Bible, in Proverbs 3, 1 to 18, then Psalm 109, 18 to 20. Then when you look at Hebrew 10, 35 to 38, then Acts of the Apostle 12, 10 to 15. Then Mark 9, 16 to 26. Then Luke 21. You see, when you look at it, remove the worries. When we get to the bridge, when we get to the river, we will cross. And in those days too, the Hausas and the Fulanis, they say you cannot enter their apartments. Their wives are Alumaji, the people that you they put the yes on a cloth on their face. So they, I can only tell you, the one that has 2 wives said he has 18 wives and 32 children. That was when they were sharing the local government money under the tree. And that was why they asked the governor of Kaduna State, how many mineral resources do you have in your state? He said, oh, there are many. 7-Up, Pepsi, Fanta, then Mirinda. Your Excellency, they said, how many mineral resources? He said, but I'm telling you, even I see some in the fridge. It's okay. Now we know we have trouble. Then they said, but we said there's they said they found government some money in your wardrobe, sir. Is this not government house? Is government money in government house? That's one Nigeria in those days. Government money in what? In government house. And that was what pushed the naughty man, young man who has aggravated anger. That is Ojukwu. He used his father's money to do rubbish. What they call Biafran war can still be settled on the round table. But it's true because he was the first man to get major. So he was pushed by his father's words. And he wasted a lot of life.
Police, you've been saying it in all your prediction book that the Yorubas should have a security outfit, that OPC as the Agbekoyas, all of them should come together. You gave the prediction in your 2016 books, you gave it in your 2017 Revelation book, and you also gave it in 2018. Right now, we have Operation Amotekun by the southern governors, and the police, army, NSDs are saying they reject joint patrol with OPC hunters and others, that they are not trained to be security, but they are going to launch it just by next tomorrow in Ibadan. The 5 southern governors in the southwestern part of Nigeria are going to launch Operation Amotekun to check into the bushes for the kidnappers, for the hard men, and to tackle the security challenges in the southwestern part of Nigeria.
Sir, it's coming too late.
Okay,
you know, right from Obasanjo's regime, they've been giving them security votes. But God will bless the other all these 5 governors,
yes, sir,
who has come together to do this right thing. He's accepted, sir.
Okay, you think it's a good thing?
It's a good thing, sir. Nobody can stop it. You know, when you have a gate, that doesn't mean your house is secured. You need to have somebody to man the gate. And we need somebody to man. We have a lot of forestry. There is forest in those states, in everywhere.
Yeah.
So, like in America, we have forestry guards who guide all those forests and everything.
Okay, sir.
If they don't call them, they can call them Yoruba forestry guard. And the Amotekun too, you know what it means.
Yes, sir.
The amalgamation of the whole state.
Yes,
that was then make it Amotekun.
Are you fulfilled? Because you are.
Yes, let the Igbo too form their own Amagots. If the one is Amotekun, let the other one be Amasnake or Amapython, Amaewu, or a python will be okay.
Yes, sir.
Because they use python to chase Kalu out of the place. Operation Python dance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they should bring python to drive the people away too.
The invaders.
Then let the outside people do their own. They should not bother. They should inaugurate it. This is just a state police, like in America. There's a park police. There is a college police. There is a mom. They have their own security. Then even in the police, in the post office, even in the airport. So we need all these things.
But the police and the army and the SDC, they are not going to.
No, they cannot. Don't worry. Don't worry. You see, Yoruba people don't make noise. That is the reason why I like my people and where I come from. You get what I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
If you think your area is not secured, use whatever you have to protect it. Don't you know teeth is part of ammunition?
The teeth.
Oh, mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ẹ̀yin ammunition ni. Oh, gbọ́ òrírí? Ẹ̀yin ammunition ni. Orí pàápàá bazooka ni. Fẹ́ni tó lè ṣègbò. Then ẹ̀ṣẹ́ yìí pàápàá gbà míì tó bá bàyàn bí burúkú ó dáa ju machine gun lọ. Then ṣé rántí pé imú yìí ike ni tó bá lè fọwọ́ dìbò dáadáa bá twist ẹ̀ o ti ń win ni o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, this has come to stay and the Lord will bless those governors. Amen. Let them continue. Right from the past 10 years, how can you be carrying caskets? Look at the Ondo State. They loaded a whole casket with ammunition and bullets. And they now put a sign that they're going to bury dead body. Look at all the killing of all the
professors, kidnapping
Obas and killing doctors and everything. Even Okegbo alone can police the whole Yoruba. Okegbo alone.
Okegbo.
Yes. And people from Igodon, listen, in those days, it's only one bees. You know bees? Oyin?
Yes, sir.
And they will just pray on it, put it in the calabash, and take it to the city center and leave. Every day you'll be seeing that 20 people are dying. People are running mad.
Are you aware that some of the cows are now falling?
Even the one that haven't in those states is not thunder. You know I predicted it to you.
Yes, sir.
That they will show them a sample.
Yes, sir.
And it happened before I came.
It happened in Ondo.
Even Idori alone,
yes.
Idori can protect Nigeria. Only Idori. Nowhere in the Yoruba land. Go to Ilesha, go to Ibadan. As you look at the people of Ibadan, they are not coward. Hey, if you come to war, you should tell these people. The people down here will not go down again. They won't go. You know we're interlocked. Yes. Unless they learn how to speak quick Yoruba or quick Igbo, if not, they're lost. So they should just leave the sleeping doctor. We are hearing rumor, and then we need to get ready. If rumor now become reality, so what do we do?